Alright, so in this video we're going to learn how to install custom kernels and custom ROMs. You're definitely going to need your bootloader unlocked and a custom recovery installed already. If you don't have either of those, you can watch my previous video and get those set up. You're going to want to have your ROM and kernel of choice downloaded on your phone already. They'll be zip files. You might also need a vendor image, and you'll probably want to have a GApps package as well. That'll be a zip file. If you have all of those things, you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now that you have all your files downloaded onto your phone, you're going to want to boot into bootloader mode or fast boot. And then from there you can use volume up to go to recovery mode to boot into your custom recovery. And then once you're in your custom recovery, you're going to want to go to wipe. I like to go to advanced wipe and then click on Dalvik, system, data. Don't select internal storage, that'll delete all your pictures and everything. And then click cache. And then go ahead and wipe. It's going to take a little while to do it. And you go ahead and go back, 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 and then you're going to go to install. You're going to navigate to your downloads file. So if you're up in the root area, you're going to want to go to SD card, download. And then you simply just go to your ROM, click add more zips if you want, get your GApps there, and then go ahead and confirm flash. And then once it's done, go ahead and reboot system. If you want to flash some more zips, you can go back and find the ones that you want. So now if you want to install a custom kernel, you do the same thing. You just go install, find your kernel. I'm using Elemental X here, and just swipe to confirm. Some of them have a little installer screen that you can customize. I typically recommend to just stick with the stock or default settings. For most of these things, I actually enjoy double tap to wake, so that's just a personal preference one there. Again, default, I actually don't like sweep to sleep. Backlight dimmer, that's nice. And then go ahead and just click install. A lot of kernels won't have this. They'll just have a straight regular installer, just like we installed the ROM earlier, and it'll just flash straight to it. And that's it. If you need to install a vendor image, you're going to go ahead and click down here on install image, and then you'll see the vendor image shows up. You're going to select vendor image. Be sure not to select any of these other ones, and then go ahead and swipe. And that's it. That's how simple it is to flash a new ROM. Go ahead and click reboot system. And the initial boot may take an extra amount of time than what you're used to. So you're going to want to go ahead and just let it sit for a while. It might sit on the Google image or on a little animation for a while. It's totally normal. Don't freak out. So now that you have your custom ROM and kernel installed, go ahead and play around with it. You'll see that there's a whole bunch of new modifications and tweaks you can perform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and also give a thumbs up too.